Let me tell you my favorite features of this bike repair kit, and I'll also show you what comes inside. First of all, one of my favorite features is that it comes with a pair of gloves. Yes, if you've ever been on the side of the road and you had to repair something with your bike, flat tire or something, you know how dirty your hands get. And they came up with the perfect solution. So that's one of my favorite features. Second favorite feature is this 16-in-1 tool. You have hex wrenches, Allen wrenches on this side, metric, and then you have different, this is for like bolts. This is the driver for the provided sockets. Then you've got a Phillips head and a flat head. Very useful tool. Then you got this little guy. It's loaded with a little repair kit. Even has some valves and extra covers for your valves. Comes with a pump. And even with the pump, you can mount this on your bike if you wanted to. So it gives you what you need to be able to mount this. It has a chain repair kit or tool. And if you have a flat and you have to take your tire off, these are tire levers, and very conveniently they provided the roughener, or the thing that you use to roughen up the tube so that you can repair the flat. Very ingenious. And it all comes in this little pouch that you can put under your saddle. Very cool product. I highly recommend it.